Hello beautiful people, how are you guys doing today? I hope you're doing amazing. Welcome back to another province house rebuild update. So today is Thursday and so I'm here in the countryside to give you another update. It has been, I think, 2 days since the last update that I have shared with you guys, and as you guys can see right now, you will know what is the latest update. So as you guys can see over here, we have already installed the door for the entire house. So the front door, the exit door, as well as the 2 bedrooms that we have here. And yeah, this is how it looks actually. So that's how it is, and I know a lot of you have mentioned that it looks really small. I would have to say it's totally fine, it's okay. This is 80, like the size of it, and yeah, I mean, you know, the furniture that I will be purchasing soon in the future should fit here. Otherwise, we are gonna be using the window for it. But yeah, this is how it looks so far. This is the design that I decided to choose, and I would say it actually looks good. Though this is not gonna be the final look of it because we have to put wood stain or varnish, so it's gonna look more natural and wood, so that's good. All right, so that's how it is, and we are going to go here inside of the house. So this is how the inside of the house looks right now. As you guys can see, I can't really show this one to you yet, but it is the same exact door that we have in my main bedroom. So this is how the second bedroom looks like, and if you go near, they are currently working on here because we have already finished my room, so they're working on the ceiling of the second bedroom. So that's how the ceiling looks. As you guys can see, they are putting the metal paring for the ceiling here in the second bedroom. Right now, we are going to get inside here in my bedroom. So as you guys can see, this is how the door of the main bedroom looks like. It actually looks nice. I totally love the design of it. It looks simple and nice. I think it will look much more better if we are going to put the wood stain. Maybe I'm gonna work on it today. Maybe Razzle is gonna help me, who is my videographer today. But yeah, this is how it looks. It's the same as my second bedroom. So I have told the builders that we are going to prioritize my bedroom so that we can already move here. At least we will have a place to sleep, and even if the whole house is still not yet finished, it's okay for us to move as long as the main bedroom is good. So they have been doing overtime actually at night. So supposedly the work starts at 8 until 5 p.m. and then they will have break from 5 to 6, and then at 6 p.m. they're gonna come back here and they're going to do overtime. And that's because they really want to help me make sure that the inside of the house will be at least a bit finished, so that everything's gonna be a bit functional, you know, especially the kitchen, because I love to cook. In the countryside, you really have to make sure that you cook in all meals because you cannot really buy food here, unlike in the city. You get Grab or whatsoever, which is actually pricey, so I really prefer cooking here. And yeah, anyway, so come on, let's go inside here in my bedroom. So this is how it looks right now, everyone. As you guys can see, it looks very white all around the main bedroom because last night they worked on the skim coating. So this is how the skim coat looks now. I think this is one skim coat. I think they still have to do second and third. I'm not sure, it really depends if I really want to have it smoothened. But yeah, I think it looks better if you really smoothen it out. So this is how it looks, and if we guys can take a look over here, they have already installed my air condition. So that's how it looks. It's very small, but I would say we're not going to be using that one that much anyway, because here in the countryside it gets really cold at night. Maybe we'll just use the electric fan. Maybe we'll use this like right now because it is a bit sunny during April and May, but the rest of the months we actually don't need that one, but yeah, it depends if Tom want to use it or not. But for me, I love the fresh air. And so here we have this, you know, really big window as well, so we can open this and the air is gonna come in, so that will be good. Now, if we are going to look down here on this area, you guys can see that they have already installed the tiles. So I got the same exact tiles, right, from the last video, and this is how it looks now. They've already started cutting it, and yeah, they had to fill this in because if you guys can remember, the house has been extended a bit more over here. So yeah, they have put 1, 2, 3, 4, like this area over here. So that's good. Here as well, on this area, this is gonna be where my wardrobe is. And yeah, they are almost done with the skim coating. And if we are going to look up, the ceiling has been done here in my bedroom as well, so that's really nice. I think once they finish the skim coating here on the walls, they should work on the skim coating at the top, I mean on the ceiling. And after that, they are going to proceed with the painting here in my bedroom again, because yeah, we have to make sure that the bedroom will be usable, it's functional for us. So this is how it looks, by the way, when it's being closed. I can't really push it, so that's how it looks when it's being closed, though they did not put the lock yet, but that's fine. Okay, so now we are going to our living area slash kitchen. So this is the current situation. It is actually very messy. You can see we already have the countertop. So again, I have shared it to you. The countertop starts here. It's gonna be an L shape, a cornered one, and it ends over here as well. So yeah, I think the height is perfect. It's perfect for me, especially. So this is 90. I think this is the standard height for countertops. So I'm quite happy with this. I think the last one I got might be 100 or something, which is really high. So this one is okay. We will just have a little inch here for the tiles, then that should be good. I think they are going to install the tiles today, so hopefully we can see a final look of, you know, our countertop kitchen area. I'm so happy. All right, here in this area, guys, you will see that he already installed my sink. So that's how the sink look like. I really did purchase a new one because the last one I'm gonna have to give that to my sister. All of the stuff that I have here from the previous house has been used by my mom or my sister, so that's actually good. And then if you guys can take a look here on the bottom as well of the countertop, so we have these shelves where I could actually put a lot of storage. Here we can put like the bin, the trash can, and then here in the side, that's where we can put like storage for the plates, like glass or pans, and then here maybe for the gas and so on. So yeah, I'm happy there's a lot of storage. And maybe here in the middle, this is where we are going to put the dining table. I am still thinking if I should purchase a new dining table or make use of the old one that I got, but the chairs for the old dining table that I have has been totally wrecked. It's got paint everywhere. Yeah, it's not looking good anymore, but we shall see. I am going to furnish the house slowly but surely because my pocket is crying. It has been a very expensive month. Actually, first quarter of this year has been very expensive for me, but you know, I can see it. It's right here, so I'm quite happy. Like every time I come here in the countryside, it does make me happy, especially if I try to pull over like in the car and I see the house and I'm like, I've been working so hard for that house. Okay, so what else? I think I have showed you guys like here in this area as well that the ceiling has been done, so that's good. You might be wondering that we have this little space over here. I really decided to leave it empty. That's because I want to put our pantry here. So we will have like a cupboard or a cabinet where we put our grocery and stuff like that. So yeah, I think that space case should be fine. And then this is how it looks, by the way, here in my exit area. So it's the same exact door with the main entrance. This is stronger and sturdy. It's pretty heavy as well, so that's good. And then I have showed you guys already my toilet. There's not much update over there. The sliding window is supposed to be installed today. Unfortunately, the owner said that their truck was broken and they had to fix it, bring it to a mechanic and such. So yeah, they're gonna be here first thing in the morning. I might be sleeping here so that I don't need to drive again from here to the city and go back in the morning. Right now it's 5 p.m. so they are already done for today. So I'm gonna give you a quick update of what they have accomplished for the last 4 hours. So over here we are going to start in the second bedroom. As you guys can see, if you try to look up, there is already ceiling in the second bedroom, though there is a little area here on the side where they need to put some plywood. But yeah, we ran out of plywood, unfortunately, so I will have to get maybe 3 plywood. Here in my bedroom, I have shown you guys this one this afternoon, and you guys cannot really see like the progress and such because it was all white earlier, but now it's a lot whiter because I think this is second skim coating. I'm not sure, but yeah, that's how it looks. And then I have shown you guys last time as well that the builder was working on the sides here, so he has already finished putting the tiles on the sides of the bedroom. So now this bedroom just needs to be skim coated, the ceiling needs to be skim coated, and then after that we should proceed in painting. The window will be installed tomorrow. That's what they said. First thing in the morning they're gonna arrive here, and yeah, everything should be done by then. Then we're gonna proceed with cleaning the tiles because look at the floor. The floor is very dirty. I know there's like a lot of cement, sand, it's all over the place, and yes, we do have a lot of cleaning to do, but yeah, that's okay. We have people to help us on that. Right now I am going to show you guys here in the kitchen area. So it is actually over here. So if you guys can see, the kitchen countertop has been done. Well, not totally, but you know, the concrete has been done already, and then they just need to put on the tiles. So if you look over here, I think I have shown you guys the tiles on the last video. So this is how it looks. This is the tile that I decided to choose, and I love the color, and it just looks very neat and nice. It's neutral color and I love that. So he was able to finish this side of the backsplash or splashback. So that's really good, and yeah, it actually ends over here. He is going to work on this side of the splashback and that area as well. And then once he's finished with that, he is going to put the tiles for the countertop. Yeah, so far that is the current update. Oh, by the way, we've already did a skim coating in all of the windows that I have here around the house, and that's because they need to install the sliding window tomorrow. So yeah, I told them to prioritize doing the skim coating for the windows so that we wouldn't have any problem once they install the sliding window. So yeah, anyway, so far that's the current update of the house. Again, I will be sleeping here with sister and fam, and tomorrow I'm gonna give you guys an update about the window as well. So I'm gonna record everything for you guys, and yeah, anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, thank you so much for the love and support, for watching my videos, interacting with me. I truly, deeply appreciate it. And as always, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys on my next one. Don't forget to smile and be happy. Bye!